Site safety. The design professional in a contract that is generated by the site owner needs to be really careful to state its limitations upon the role that it has concerning overall site safety versus site safety for its own employees. Now, if you're using one of the standard form contracts like EJCDC or AIA, you're not going to have a problem. Those have good language that really defines the responsibility and very well limits the responsibility. I'm going to put up a clause that I think is useful in clarifying the owner's and contractor's responsibilities. And so you could borrow this type of language to insert into a contract when you see that it is putting too much responsibility onto the design firm. This clause reads as follows. That provision not only defines the role and responsibility of the owner and the contractor, but it also explains that to the extent that the design professional has a role of observing what the contractor is doing or even reporting to the owner what the contractor is doing in the way of site safety, that is only intended to be a benefit to the owner. It is simply the monitoring of that subcontractor's work is not intended to include a review of the adequacy of the contractor's safety measures. My recommendation is that you affirmatively state in the contract that you are not responsible for the safety program and procedures of the general contractor or of the overall project site. That instead, you're responsible for the site safety of your own employees.